Hello and welcome to this unboxing of the Corsair H100i. We'll have a quick look around the box and then we'll get stuck in. So, on the side we have all the dimensions, tech specs and other random rubbish in a few different languages. Some temperature specs, some information on what's in the box, the socket it fits and the processors it supports. So, let's have a quick look inside and we'll be done. So, right at the top you've got your solutions guide. This is just more products by Corsair, warranty certificate and an installation manual. Right here we have, pull this all out of the box. In this cardboard looking box we have your two fans, your power leads and the USB lead, plenty of fittings, your Intel and AMD socket thingy, and here we have the actual pump and radiator. So, quick look at that. It's very thin fins, very nice feeling radiator. Doesn't weigh a lot and looks very tidy. Anyway, that's it for this unboxing. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share to your friends.